Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to reset explore feed on Instagram mobile. So first I want you just to go into your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right side. Tap on it, and once you are in, I want you to go into these three horizontal lines on the top right corner. Tap on them, and after that I want you to go into your activity. Tap on it, and right here I want you to scroll down until you can see the recent searches. Tap on it, sorry, and here as you can see you will find all your recent searches, and I want you just to go and tap on clear all. So here it says you won't be able to window this if you clear your search history. You may still see accounts you have been searched or you have searched for as suggested results. So you just go into clear all, and I may add some notes, or I can give you the extra tips like avoiding liking or interacting with content you don't want more of. Follow accounts that reflect your interest to be visible to you, and spend more time engaging with posts you enjoy. So guys, that's how you can do it, and that's how to reset explore feed on Instagram mobile. Don't forget guys to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.